What is up, guys? Buenos dias. This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous appellation in Spain. Yes, this is a famous Spanish DO, Denominación de Origen, located in the province of León in the region of Castilla y León. Those wines are pretty powerful. They are red, obviously, made from the Mencia grape. And they are pretty spicy as well, quite minty, a bit herbal, quite tannic, loads of acidity, fantastic, fascinating wines that have gone up in popularity over the past decade. The wines from Bierzo. How do you go about pronouncing this with the Spanish pronunciation? Bierzo. It'd be fine in English to say Bierzo. But in Spanish, Bierzo. Los vinos del Bierzo. If you want to learn more about the grape that is behind the wines from Bierzo, here are videos that you should watch next, as well as if you like to learn more about your Spanish wines and wine in general, you found the right channel. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Hasta luego!